Have you ever had cheese poured on you before? Me neither, but that's probably what it would look like. Starting off with shredded chicken breast from Mount Rushmore, Mount Everest. Probably not, but man, look at that. That looks delicious. Now let's start off with some sauce, some Baus sauce, yes, to get it all. That drizzle, drip, drip, drop, drip, yeah, that's it. Oh, yep, pour on that cheese, please. That's the bee's knees. Wow, there you have it, shredded chicken Parmesan. Nutritious, delicious, need I say more?